What's up, my beautiful masterpieces? It's your girl Mona Lisa. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're returning. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and like if you haven't already. I promise you're gonna love it here. So y'all, quick update with this video. Vlog. So this is rewinding back to December, celebrating CJ's 9th birthday, welcoming the new year. We tried out these TikTok hacks. I did the Swiffer Wet Jet replacement of any cleaning product. That is a keeper. I definitely love that one. Also, Sapphire saw a recipe to make buffalo chicken dipped egg rolls. So we tried that. It was alright. A little bit too spicy for our liking. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. And this will also be my outro. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I love you and I'll see y'all next time.
I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the beat. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside another leader. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the meat, ducking the birds, sending out the meat. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed her. Then that bitch tapping if she think I need her. Hit her one.
Okay, what are you doing with the eggs?
Huh?
What is the eggs for?
Young nigga pulling up inside the Bentley truck. I just be popping shit like hot grease. I remember dead sitting at the trap, about to call the plug, got a cop free. Look at the Pablo Escobar money, beat the chop for, that's my top three. Bitch, I was serving the sidewalk, then I copped and drop hopped in the street. You can't name a young nigga that's hot as you. All my niggas do murders and robbery. Got about 20 racks in the robbing you. Niggas thinking I won off the lottery. When I hop in the push start with the pounds, niggas know that it ain't no stopping me. Out of town champ like Mayweather, got a new crib off the boxing ring. Put the new 40 autos on the Jeep, run up 30 in a week. I just fuck I don't eat. 45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheets. I want the bag, nigga. I can't take no hoe if I know she ain't married to me. Bitch, I done got this shit up out the street. Red gut, period, blood on my suit. I just been ballin' out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the beef. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside another leader. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put.
On the back, it was showing us how to do it like an envelope. So y'all, I ordered the tequila sunrise. That's what that is.
I got the milkshake.
He already ate his cherry. And she got a
Sprite.
Sprite.
That's the
A
boring.
Sprite Delight.
Okay.
That is the boring.
Feel any older?
No. What? Turning 9 years old.
Cherry and burrito. He got a
Hers is my bigger.
Supreme because I don't got no meat. She got the regular. Little baby. Look at Sultan. Look. As you can see, today is CJ's 9th birthday. The weather's not that great, but he chose to go to El Sarape. He loves Mexican food. So we went there. Then his dad got him some money. And he decided to go to Target and go buy some Legos. Yeah, I already got him his gifts. He's got one more coming in the mail tomorrow. His party, he might do that with his cousin Trey. His Trey's birthday is January 2nd, so we might just collab and do them together sometime in January. The boys couldn't come over today and play because they're all sick and have to get COVID tests and stuff like that. So I'm prayers for them, hoping they feel better and hopefully they don't have that.
Happy birthday to you.
So this is what he built.
Or I can take
there's
it
two.
to take it to pieces and then remake
As you
it.
got cake on your face.
I'm eating cake.
Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yep.
Or partial of your birthday?
What does partial mean?
You still have to do a party.
Yeah.
Happy New Year!
No, to you. No, you cannot have her blanket. You cannot have her blanket.
Just kidding. You two know what it is.
Pick up the gate, Naya.
Let you two know what it is.
Pick up the gate, Naya.
It's the ball about to drop, so you know what I'm saying.
It's only 9 o'clock,
I'm
Shorty.
gonna say,
I don't know.
dang, y'all sitting all on my pillow. Say what up, yo. Come on, show me your moves.
Jane, you're on live.
Go,
Good.
dream me.
I'm on live?
She's like, why would you put me out like that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What?
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year, everyone. Cheers. Shh, gently clink.
Girl, cheers with me. Cheers with me.
Clink.
What you doing? Cheers with me.
Both of y'all, this was my breakfast. My niece told me that's what putty play?
It's
Kinetic sand, Connecticut sand.
It's Connecticut and not Connecticut.
Kinetic sand.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Don't be looking at me stank. Y'all about to witness her get binked. See her ponytail go flying. Dream, what do you have to say to the people? Do you have any positive words for 2022?
Happy New Year.
Anaya, what do you have to say to the people for
Happy
2022?
birthday 2021.
Happy birthday.
2021.
And
Look, this is what she got to say.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, right.
Oh, did you just flip me off?
Wait.
She's gonna turn away like, you want that, what you saw?
Something said Happy New Year.
Something's,
Say Happy New Year.
like I ain't said nothing. I ain't said jack.
Hey, I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. 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 I love you through everything. Things I can't change, the reason you love.
You got you boxing what?
Read it.
It says my name. You got CJ for my nickname. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I got a boxing and with my name on it.
Looking swell. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CJ. Happy birthday to you. All right, make a wish even though there's no candles. Yay!
What you
do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, tell me what you do.
Pretty little thing, you got it back and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting you to me, I'm looking for it. Talking while you come around and now they sliding. Through the 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it need mileage. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Pretty love, 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 pretty love.